Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Pinterest inspired 7 days 7 juice challenge. In this video we're gonna make 7 different juices which are supposed to be very healthy because considering all of our lifestyle we are not going in the right direction. So we need to redirect ourselves towards a healthier lifestyle. In this video we are gonna rate all our juices in 2 categories. One is how healthy it is and what are all of its health benefits. We are gonna put the mark of how tasty the juice is because let's be very honest, जूस या फिर कोई भी चीज वो चाहे जितनी भी हेल्दी क्यों ना हो, अगर वो टेस्टी नहीं है तो हम उसे रोज कंज्यूम नहीं करेंगे. And for this detox drink, it's very simple. We just need 3 ingredients. One is cucumber, the other one is water, and the third one is lemon. As simple as that. We are supposed to consume this drink in an empty stomach. I'm telling this to you all. If you know me, you know that I'm a big coffee lover. I'm a caffeine addict, you can also say. Not very proud, but yes, it is what it is. So the first drink I used to consume right after waking up is of course my black coffee, but I'm trying to reduce it and I'm trying to consume this detox water first and then I'm switching to the coffee. There are a lot of benefits of this juice. This helps in hydration, this helps in blood pressure regulation, and as it has cucumber also helps a lot in our skin health. So as it contains silica. So this is how the first drink looks like. This is the detox drink. Let's sip it. I have tasted this in the past. In this video, there are a few things that I have already tasted. I consume them. And there are also a lot of things जो कि मैंने इससे पहले कभी आज तक consume नहीं किया. So we are going to taste it together. Let's taste this. It is nice. I mean, of course it is nice. वरना मैं तो नहीं पीती कभी. Water, cucumber and lemon. If you want, you can also add adrak in this, ginger in this. Make sure you do not add any salt or you do not add any sugar in any of these juices. No salt, no sugar juices. So I would like to rate it a solid 4 on 5 because I like it. I like the taste of it. So can we just take a moment and appreciate the beauty of this bottle? एक कांच का बॉटल है तो इसको मैं घर से बाहर कहीं पे भी लेके नहीं जाने वाली हूँ, but this is going to be my palate cleanser for now, guys. So the second juice in the juice challenge is the iron booster drink. Apple, beetroot, carrot, ginger and lemon in it. These are very healthy ingredients and this particular juice is supposed to boost our hemoglobin level. If you didn't know already, iron is very crucial for the hemoglobin production. This juice is also supposed to increase our energy levels and it is also supposed to improve our digestions. It also enhances the iron absorption in the body, as well as it also helps us in protecting overall our blood health. Basically, this juice helps us to protect our blood's health. खुद के फिजिकल बॉडी पे तो हम लोग बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं, हमारे ब्लड की हेल्थ के लिए this iron booster juice is very important. So here are the ingredients that is needed to make this juice and let's just go and grab the juice. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the beauty of this juice? I mean, just look at it. It is blood red. I mean, of course we have added beetroot in there, but this just looks so aesthetic, so that I just love the color. I just love the way it looks and ऊपर में भी ऐसा froth होके रखा है and to be very honest, this looks delicious. Let's just try it. I'm trying this for the first time, by the way. I like it. I like it. It is way too. I mean, this is so similar to ABC juice that I consume like हफ्ते में एक बार तो I consume ABC juice, which is apple, beetroot, carrot. इसमें extra add हुआ है lemon and ginger. I mean, this is so good. I love it. I can drink this daily. But can I make this daily? That is questionable. A solid 4.5 out of 5. And it has a lot of health benefits also. So just आंखें बंद करो, इसको बनाओ. But do not add any sugar or any salt. The third juice is the retinol juice, and we all should know that retinol increases the collagen production in our body. It is very helpful for anti-aging because retinol has anti-aging properties. It also helps a lot in acne treatment. It also helps a lot in improving the skin's texture and tone, and it also helps in reducing hyperpigmentation of the skin, but overall it helps in the skin rejuvenation. A little bit dicey about this thing, which is the taste. The ingredients of the retinol juice are carrot, ginger, lemon, turmeric, chia seeds and honey. Guys, what is this sign? मैं ये जूस थोड़ा सा ऐसा मिक्स कर रही हूँ, पीछे से एम्बुलेंस जा रहा है. इसमें कच्ची हल्दी डाली हुई है गाइस, and उसके साथ a lot of other stuffs, so I'm quite not sure if I'm gonna like this juice or not. Let's give it a fair shot guys. Yeah, let's try. It's not good. हेल्थ करके जबरदस्ती में पी सकती हूँ मैं, but will I make it again? No. So I would like to rate it 2.5 out of 5. Health benefits are there. A lot of health benefits are there. If you're okay with the strong smell or aroma of kachi haldi, turmeric, which is very healthy for your skin, which is very good for your skin. In general, मैं हल्दी दूध पी सकती हूँ. I can also consume कच्ची हल्दी को ग्राइंड करके आप एक बैटर या पेस्ट जैसे बना के उसमें आप दूध ऐड करके पी सकते हो, गर्म पानी ऐड करके पी सकते हो. That is far better than this. So the fourth juice is amla juice, or we can also call it vitamin C shots. So of course we have it in our shot glasses. This is the shot glass. This is the 90 ml shot glass, and इसको अभी हम एक ही shot में पियेंगे. But let me explain the benefits of it first. And this is the juice that smells really good. I have not tasted it yet, but it smells really good. So the ingredients that I added in this juice are amla, ginger, black pepper, cumin seeds, and honey and mint leaves. This juice holds a lot of benefits. It has a lot of qualities to boost the immunity power, and it also improves digestion. It enhances the texture of the skin. It enhances the health of the skin, which is very, very important to all of us. It promotes hair growth, which is very, very important to me right now. It also aids weight loss. It also helps in the liver health. तो बेसिकली आपके गट हेल्थ के लिए हो गया, आपकी बालों के हेल्थ के लिए हो गया. आंवला इज वेरी गुड इन जनरल. दिस इज द vitamin C shot that I have in my hands. It's made up of amla and a lot of other ingredients. Let's do a fair taste test. Yeah, it's really nice, but मैंने इसको थोड़ा गाढ़ा बना दिया. It's very thick. इसमें और थोड़ा पानी डाल के 2 shots में इसको हम बना सकते हैं. I would like to rate it 4 on 5. The next in the list is the ABC juice that I have already consumed a lot of times in my life, and I try my best to consume it at least once or twice a week. So I have tasted this in the past. It tastes decent. The ingredients in the ABC juice are very simple. It's apple, beetroot and carrot, and इसके साथ you can also add lemon if you want and ginger if you want. Like, it improves your digestion. It helps in boosting your immunity power. It also helps in maintaining a good heart health. It also helps in maintaining weight. It also helps in maintaining the skin balance. Basically, this is a juice in which, it's a no-brainer. I mean, of course, I've already tasted it in the past, and I would like to rate it a solid 4 on 5. See, अगर ये सब आप स्टेन कर दोगे तो जो चिवी पार्ट रह जाता है वो आपको तो छन्नी में निकाल के आपको फेंक देना पड़ेगा, राइट? I like my juices in this way, but एक negative thing है कि आप उसको straw में नहीं पी सकते हो. But it's fine, we can also consume it like this. So the 6th juice is this bright yellow colored juice, which is not that appetizing, to be very honest, because the ingredients look something like this. The ingredients for this clear skin juice are orange, carrot, turmeric, matcha and pepper. Exactly. We have added turmeric, that is kachi haldi, matcha, और उसके earthy flavors सब इसमें mix हो गए होंगे. This juice has anti-inflammatory properties and it also boosts our immune system. There are a lot of benefits of matcha. You can just Google it. I do not hate matcha. I can consume it, of course, but I do not love it. I mean, I would like to say matcha is an acquired taste. So yes, I'm in the mid matcha girly. it's not bad. Matcha मैंने बहुत कम डाला है because I do know matcha has its all earthy flavors and all. इसमें टर्मरिक भी है, एक पीस डाला है मैंने टर्मरिक का, एंड matcha भी मैंने आई थिंक आधा स्पून से थोड़ा सा कम डाला है. This is a balanced juice and I can consume it. So I was about to rate it 2.5, but now after tasting this, I mean itna peene ke baad, of course, I'm gonna rate it. This I would like to rate solid 3.5 to 3.7. So this is the last juice of this 7 day 7 juice challenge inspired by Pinterest. Pinterest में ऐसा कहा गया है that this enhances your deep sleep. Now I'm a kind of person जिसको easily नींद नहीं आती है, पर अगर मैं सोती हूँ तो मैं भयंकर सोती हूँ. So I have this extreme हूँ मैं. When it comes to sleep, I'm extreme. Either I do not sleep at all or I sleep a lot. There is nothing in between. So this has the ingredients like cucumber, coconut water, mint leaves, lemon. So this helps a lot in hydration. This helps to boost your deep sleep. And उसका तो पता नहीं, एक ही बारी में पता कैसे चलेगा, मुझे नहीं पता है. मुझे वो I'll tell you in future videos. But इसको एक बार टेस्ट करते हैं and let's see how it is. Not bad, but I think if we add half a lemon in this should be good. I mean this is not bad. मतलब अभी भी ये कोई कुछ खराब नहीं है. I would like to rate it 3.5 out of 5. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you people liked the video. If you did, so do hit the like button to subscribe to our channel. We are very close to 1000 subscribers. Please up channel subscribe kar do and let us all reach 1k mark. And yeah, I'll see you people next time with a brand new video. Tab tak ke liye keep spreading love, keep smiling, and bye.